Hello everyone, this is Vivek and welcome back to my channel. If you are learning English language and you feel like you stuck at the same place and you are not improving fast but you are trying your best, so this video is very important for you because in this video I am going to share with you 4 steps, and when you will apply those things, then after your English will improve and then after you will be able to speak clearly and fast. Okay, so listen carefully and let's start. The first thing is that you have to do, take input into your mind. And how you can do this? Just start reading books. Yes, you heard right. Just start reading English books. And it could be anything. Whatever you want to read, you have to read. It could be any English newspapers and English articles. Whatever you want. It's depend on you. And just start reading books. And after this, you will ask to me, what is the benefits of reading books? So let me tell you, my friend, this is the first step to learn English language. Because of that, you'll have to start from here. And when you start reading books, then after you will get a lot of new vocabularies, you will get a lot of new words and phrases and a lot of things. And after getting those things, you just need to simply write down in your copy. Whatever you are just getting new, just write down in your copy, and after that just start searching the meaning of those vocabularies on any platform wherever you want to go. Okay, and as well as you will be aware from the sentence structure and you will see how sentences are connecting. Okay, and you will see the real use of grammar in while writing and while reading and anything else. Okay, these are all the thing, and as well as just you will not be able to understand all this thing whatever you will read first time, because you are in your beginning stage and you are just going to read that book, and it is not important for you to understand all the thing from the book, and it could be happen with you like you are not understanding. Okay, so you don't need to be worry about that. It will happen if you will start reading books. Okay, so don't be aware for that. And the second is listening. You have to listen English speech. There are a lot of videos on YouTube which is available in English. Okay, you just need to simply watch that. You just need to simply listen that. You can watch English podcast and you can watch English movies with the subtitle. I'll highly recommend you to watch English cartoons, because in that cartoon they are using very simple sentence, they are using very simple vocabularies for you, and it will be very beneficial for you, and you can easily understand all the thing whatever they are speaking. You can easily understand the story whatever they are whatever they are just sharing. And as well as when you start listening those native speakers, then after you will see how they are pronouncing and how they are how the natural speakers are just speaking and how they are just expressing their self. Okay, and all the thing, this is all about that listening. You'll have to be focused for the listening, and just try as much as possible for you to listen English content from the YouTube and from anywhere, wherever you want to listen, just go and just start listening those things. And the third is writing. You have to write at least 1 page in a day. And after this you will ask to me what should I write down? You can write at least whatever you are just observing, whatever comes in your mind, you will have to write down. And when you start writing, then after what will happen with you? Your mind will train and your mind will start thinking in the English language. You will start making a sentence structure, and as well as you will start using the grammar. Suppose that you are writing and you have a lot of time to think about that sentence and what should you write down, and because nobody is just insisting you to write down this that. Okay, you are the master of your own self and you can write down whatever you want. Okay, so these are all the thing, and I'm not giving you a big task. I'm just only telling to you just write down at least 1 page, and if you are feeling comfortable to write down at least 1 page, then you can easily increase the amount of pages of writing. Okay, so that is all about writing. And the fourth is about output. You'll have to give output, means you'll have to do practice of speaking. I always suggest and I always tell in my every videos, you'll have to do practice of speaking. If you really want to learn this language, if you really want to speak this language, then and it is very important for you to do practice of speaking. And then after you will ask to me what should I ask, how can I do practice of speaking? And you just need to do only one thing, just whatever comes in your mind, just start speaking, just start describing those things. and whatever you are just observing, like if you are just suppose that if you are in your village, if you are in your city, wherever you are, you can do easily practice. आप अगर किसी से बात कर रहे हैं तो आप ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, I am talking with somebody and whatever you are just seeing, and like this is my cycle, as you can see. If I just want to describe myself, I can easily say with myself, this is my bicycle. Okay, and whenever I just want to go, I can easily use my bicycle to go somewhere. Okay, like this you will have to do practice like this, and whatever comes in front of you, just start describing those things. Just look at the weather, and as you can see today I'm out of my village and there are a lot of trees and they are my friends. Okay, like this you will have to do practice like this, and you don't need to think, and you don't need to you don't need to wait for any like situation. You don't need to wait for any partner who can use and who can speak in English language and who can do practice with you. You just need to simply think about that, and you just need to like do practice. Just try to inculcate in your mind that you can easily do practice alone. If you are doing something like this, I am just walking, I can easily say with myself like in Hindi, मैं चल रहा हूँ. Then after I can easily say with myself, I am walking, and there are a lot of trees. As you can see, there are a lot of trees, and that is road and where everyone used to go with this way. Okay, like this you'll have to do practice like this, and just like try as much as possible for you to speak. If you really want to like learn this language, so there is no any shortcut. Just try to understand, guys. Just try to understand. That is all about speaking English. I have covered 4 things. The first thing is that you will have to start reading books, and the second is you will have to start listening, and the third is you will have to start writing at least 1 page, and the fourth and one of the most important thing of learning English language, it is doing practice of speaking. Without it you can't do it, and you will have to speak more than enough. Just try. I'm just repeating my sentence, I am just repeating my word. You will have to start doing this thing without it, and just try as much as possible for you to do this thing. Okay, otherwise if you face any problem, so and you can easily tell with me. Okay, then after I'll tell you the solution of that problem, whatever you are just facing in this time. Okay, so guys, that is all about English learning, and I'll meet you in the next video. If you have got something from this video, so do like and subscribe.